Hi guys, welcome back. Again a short video on how to ceramic spray coat your two-wheeler at home. So I've just washed my KTM. Not done any paint correction because I don't see any swirl marks on it. So there's a bit of shine on the vehicle. It's because of the previous wax that I had, and I've just washed it kind of in my backyard. So it has been prepped up. The final thing that we are going to do is use the Turtle Wax hybrid solutions range, one of their hybrid solution range. So we'll be using the ceramic spray coating. So as we can see, the instructions are quite simple. They say spray on a clean, dry car or bike for that matter for incredible shine and protection. You can later pause this video and check the application process that is written on the bottle. It's over here. You can refer to it later on. I bought this from Amazon for 1490. The printed price was 1850, so saved almost 350 rupees. Do remember, while doing this, you'll have to keep a couple of microfiber cloth ready or handy with you. So one will be only for application purpose and the other will be to buff it off. So it's quite a simple process. It's not like regular wax where you need to keep on buffing it until you lose your elbow grease. So not to worry about it. Quickly, I'll just show you the top of the nozzle. So as it shows a cross mark, all you have to do is kind of turn it on so that the liquid can start coming. As you can see, there's this spray mark over there. So I've set it as recommended or as required. So as suggested by the Turtle Wax company, just 1 to 2 sprays on one panel. So as you can see, KTM doesn't have much. So what I'll be doing is, there's also a simple process that you can follow, as the parts are very small and most of the fluid will be wasted, and it is also windy out here. So to save that, what we can do is we can also apply it directly on a microfiber cloth. So you can spray it on the microfiber cloth and use that cloth to spread the liquid evenly on the bike. So today I'm doing it on my KTM. Let's see how the process works. Okay, so bear with me. I'm just thinking, should I spray it on the napkin first or directly on the vehicle? Giving it a thought again. I think I'll spray one click on the bike tank and see how it works, and another one on the microfiber cloth. So that will give us an idea how both the processes work. Okay, so to begin with, just one small spray. I'll do it diagonally because this has got a bigger portion which covers the tank. So maybe like this, and one spray on this side like this. I think that should be sufficient for a bike which has got not a very big size of the tank. Okay, so as you can see, the solution has been sprayed. All you need to do is evenly distribute it with the help of a microfiber towel. Make sure that the microfiber towel is new and it doesn't have any dust or dirt on it, because that will then add up to the scratches that you might get. Okay, so it's a simple process. That's it. I've kind of evenly distributed it. So they say this has got a good hydrophobic property, wherein the water will kind of just slide away and it will not stay on the bike. So applying it evenly so that it covers most of the surface or the entire surface of the tank, and later on I'll go on with the other parts of the bike. So as we were discussing, so not many parts, just maybe the back panel, white color if I may call it, and maybe the chassis. I would also cover the chassis. They also say that you can also use it on black plastic parts. However, for now I'll just avoid that. As you can already see, okay, so once you have applied, turn over the microfiber cloth, or if you have another one you can use that. I do have another cloth, but this is not that wet, so I'm just gonna flip it over and use the dry side to buff off the polish. And as you can see, the buffing doesn't take much efforts. It's quite simple. You just wipe off the liquid that you had spread, just so that it shines. Okay. Alrighty, I can already feel the microfiber towel is gliding, and the bike is also giving a nice shine. I think that's it. We're done with the tank. So as you can see, the tank is already shining. It's actually glowing. It's evening time. There's no rain, but as you can see, it's kind of cloudy and no direct sunlight. Still, the shine is pretty good. And later on, I'll also cover the headlight, the mudguard, and the side fairing, if I may call it. Okay guys, do let me know your comments about this DIY procedure. As I said, it was quite simple, and I've also put in another video on how I got the delivery from Amazon, because there were a lot of reviews saying, you know, that the bottle comes tampered, it leaks and stuff like that. However, fortunately the one that I got was perfect, no leakage, no nothing, so I'm quite happy with it. If you like the video, do press the like button, share the video, and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you guys.